we're gonna get a
Morning. I am in the Los Angeles Animal Center, 10 North Central, and today is February 14. I came here to adopt a dog and will be a surprise for Lloyd. Well, she knows already, but she didn't want to come here because she will be too sad to see all of the dogs in the shelter, so I have to come by myself and choose a dog. Let's see how it goes. We're in the shelter. They have a lot of different dogs that are sad. I don't know if I should be recording this is unfortunately in this branch, the Notre branch, currently they only have big dogs available for adoption. They have a lot but currently we're living in an apartment and we don't have enough space to shelter one of these dogs, so I'm driving now to the south branch and we'll see how it goes.
So Tony came home today without Nacho yet, but we're gonna get him tomorrow in the clinic. So this is his files. Looks like everything's good. He had a missing tooth, and this is him. Seem happy. Bought some stuff. So this is gonna be Nachos' bed. This is an orthopedic bed for dogs, and of course the leash and the collar so we can like walk him. And the people from the shelter, the volunteers, gave us some toys for Nachos. A little bit sad because they say that we can't have Nachos today. He needs to have some more sprays and he's gonna be in the clinic, so we're gonna pick him up tomorrow. So hopefully that is really it. We get him tomorrow, and then after that we're gonna go to the vet. The volunteer said that it's a good measure to, just be sure everything is well and good for his own health. We're going now to the clinic to pick up Nachos. Finally, I'm gonna see him. So I think he just got out of surgery because they need to spade him, We're here, just waiting for parking.
You get 5 miles every 12 hours. You're going to keep this refrigerated.
Okay.
And this is the pain medication. Also starting tomorrow morning. You're going to get 1 tablet once a day with food. Okay. Also start tomorrow. Get tomorrow.
Sitting here, waiting for Nachos to come out in the door. Why are you sad?
Yes, but surgery. This is.
So Nachos still feeling a little like maybe drowsy because he had the surgery. They moved her chin, so that's why he's kind of like no action.
But we'll see in a few days if he gets better. Probably tomorrow, yeah. But he will still be on pain. That's why we have pain medication.
bed. Hi. Hello, baby. Still wearing the cone.
You have tasty, Nacho.
Our baby's drinking. Our baby finally gets up. He's now drinking with a cone and then eating. We're in the rooftop right now, and he just made his first poo, and now hopefully he pees here before we head back. Going back now. He explored a little bit already, and he's much happier. First treat. Because you're good. You pooped and you peed in the right place. Good job. Oh, you can eat it. Maybe it's like too big or something. You liked it, baby? He likes it. It's just too big. He's gonna eat this, but he doesn't want, so we're giving him ham, and he likes it so much. Oh my god. Getting ready for his nighttime walk. You're excited? Are you? Come on! Come on! Stop. Stop. Wait. Hold. Right. With hombre. Just gonna wait and then we're going to the elevator and he's scared. Oh, earlier he actually walked by himself too. Yeah. Good job. Good job. Where are we going? We're going to the vet today. Yay! Nachos right there. Hi, baby. Oh yeah, everything is good with Nachos. They just put a topical solution on the wound itself so it won't get irritated. Gave him the second batch of deworming, and that's gonna be good for the whole year. Got in a gasoline station today, and Nachos just waiting for Tony right there looking at him. And he decided to just lie down while waiting. We're removing his gun today.